Hey guys, this house is different. Welcome to 142 Lake Trail Road in Greeley, Ontario. This custom home has unbelievable finishes that you haven't seen before. You're gonna love this house. My name is Ali Mansour with Royal Apache Realty Brokerage on the Vertex team. Let me show you my favorite part of the house. You're gonna walk into the kitchen space here, all of the natural light leading into the backyard. You got two 10-foot islands, quartz, with the waterfalls coming down. You're gonna see tons of cabinet space for storing all of your kitchen needs. You got a 48-inch Jenn Air gas range with 6 burners, large hood fan, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, microwave hood fan. You also have your double sink with a soap dispenser there. 2 built-in wall ovens, also made by Jenn Air. Built-in wall panel that has a fridge and freezer behind it. And I'm gonna show you all of this massive space that you gotta have here for your living room, all right? You have the award-winning custom-built cabinetry by Astro. You're not gonna see this in many homes. You got the large tiled wall with a custom built-in fireplace as well. I'm gonna open up the back for you guys to see really quick here. All of the space. This house is sitting on about just over half an acre. Over here, you're gonna have a large walk-in pantry for all your kitchen needs. You're gonna have your butler's kitchen over here with the sink, wine fridge as well, tons of cabinet space for you.